Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone! Creating the right image is still challenging for visually impaired. Even there are a lot of AI tools with the help of which we can create images. Today in this video, we will demonstrate a tool created by Google with the help of which you can create images with some customizations. Not only this, you can edit images just by writing the prompts. Everything for free now. So without further delay, sit back and relax and watch the video till the end. Before starting the video, if you want to join our courses, don't forget to visit our website from the About page of our channel. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to join us as a member, because if you subscribe as a member, you will get exclusive benefits. Click on the join button to learn more. So guys, first we will show you from the Gemini from the user points of view, and second I will show you the same thing from another platform, another way. So I will demonstrate two ways to use this. Along with this, I will also tell you which way is better and what are the pros and cons of both. So everything I will describe in this video. Without further delay, let's get started. First of all, I will open the Chrome browser.
Start a new tab.
You can choose any browser you want. Next, I need to log into the Gemini.
Ion selected. Gemini selected.
After logging to Gemini, I just need to see.
Out of edit, clickable main landmark navigation landmark clickable button Guru Nanax 20 button right in 40 with Roman numerals. Button collapsed Google account. Main
activate
landmark
the NanoBanana tool.
Menu button link upgrade. Navigation link up nav button unavailable new chat. Button temporary chat. Button explore gems. Heading level 1 recent. Button blind person using talkback.
So last time I have generated some images, blind person using talkback and etc. So just I'm opening that.
Button open menu for conversation actions.
And now
button
see.
Clickable. Button microphone. Button deselect button tools. Button deselect banana image.
Okay, so it is saying deselect banana image. So what I do is I just need to go to a new chat
collapsed submenu button
to show you
2.5 menu
how
button
it will
collapsed
work.
submenu Gemini link upgrade button navigation button toggle studio side navig button new chat. Enter a prompt here.
Okay, now it is saying enter a prompt here. I'm pressing tab here.
Clickable pen upload file menu button.
Okay,
C.
now I'm pressing tab again.
Tools button.
Tab again.
Clickable microphone button.
Tab again.
Google Gemini. Google Chrome region.
It's saying nothing, right? So
Google
I'm just
Gemini
going
button
up.
tools. Clickable button open upload file button. Clickable button microphone. Blank. Click button clickable button open upload file clickable enter a prompt here ask Gemini out of edit button learn button deep research.
But see,
button right button banana create image.
Here we cannot get
clickable.
any banana image or anything, nothing, right?
Out of
So
edit,
what you have to do is
open upload file menu.
See,
clickable enter a prompt here edit multi-line.
this is the prompt box where you have to type the prompt. Just go up.
Ask Gemini.
Up.
Out of edit button learn button deep button right button banana clickable button banana create image.
Banana create image. Just press enter here.
Main landmark.
And
enter a prompt here edit
this is
multi-line.
activated.
Enter a prompt here edit focused multi-line describe your image.
So it is saying that describe your image. So for example, here I am describing. Let's say what I can describe. I can describe. Even I can
clickable open upload.
Upload one image here, and I can edit that image, or I can ask to remove the background. Okay, or whatever I can do with that images. So here simply I am asking a
space
blind
S person
using a laptop. Just I am using
a blind person using a laptop,
and I'm pressing enter.
Describe your image. Gemini is typing.
Gemini is typing means I'm just pressing up arrow C.
Button collapse generating image.
Generating image.
Clickable button unlabeled wrap button download full-sized image.
Just you can press enter here, and after pressing enter here you can download the full-size image. But the problem is here you cannot specify the size of the image. This image can be posted on your social media platforms, but if you want to make YouTube thumbnails, or if you want to do little bit customization, if you just write to Gemini, but Gemini cannot understand your words, even it can understand, it is not giving the exact results we want. So for that, I'll show you the second method. The second method is using Google AI Studio. So simply go to the browser's address bar and type aistudio.google.com
and present google.com selected. Google AI
and it will take you to this page. After coming here, press B until you hear.
Clickable to navigate. Get API settings met button. Google account. Remain landmark. Try NanoBanana button.
Try NanoBanana. So here you just need to press enter.
Main landmark. Type something or tap to choose an example prompt.
And
edit multi-line. Generate an image of a banana wearing a costume.
See, this is
generate an image of a banana wearing a blank.
Here I'm just deleting it. Now here you can write whatever you want. So here I'm just writing a blind person is using a computer laptop.
Space. Lap.
He is wearing a over the ear
headphone. Space.
This is for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I just write so things. If you want, you can write the better prompt also. Then what to do? Just I'm going to come out of this edit box. Then I'm pressing tab. Down arrow.
Thumbnail.
Down arrow.
Out of edit menu button. Collapsed sub menu. Insert assets such as images, videos,
so
files,
here
audio.
You can add images, audio files, not audio, but like images, and then you can edit that.
Button run.
Then run is there. If you press enter, then
heading level 2 run settings.
Run settings.
Get code.
Get
button
code.
Reset default
This is
settings.
for developers.
Button close run settings. Button NanoBanana.
Just
Gemini.
down
Button
arrow,
system instructions.
Down
Separator.
arrow.
Heading level 3 temperature.
And
slider 1. Spin
temperature
button
is there.
editable 1. Heading level 3 aspect ratio.
Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Aspect ratio. So generally what happened?
Clickable aspect ratio.
Here
combo
you can
box
choose.
collapsed opens list auto.
See, auto
Aspect
is selected. Now I'm just going down.
1:1. 9:16.
9:16. So when you are creating the thumbnail for YouTube, you should usually do like 9:16 or 16:9. Okay. Most probably 9:16. You have to do the thumbnail images. So I'm keeping it as it is.
16.
Or I can 16:9 also.
9:16.
So I can just keep it like 9:16. Okay, and then I can run this.
System NanoBanana close runs reset to get code run button.
So I'm clicking on run.
Cancel generation running.
Running means it is being generated. The image is being generated. So please wait. I'm going to
menu button. Start typing a prompt out of heading menu but thumb. A blind person is using a left thumbnail. A head menu button. Collapsed sub menu open option. Heading a blind per thumb button edit. Button rerun the menu button. Collapsed sub menu open option. Button menu button. Collapsed sub menu open up. Heading level 3 model. Here is an image of a blind person using a laptop. Button rerun this turn. Menu button. Collapsed graphic clickable generated image October 17.
This is generated image.
Goes response. Grab menu button. Collapsed sub menu open up. Grab button bad response. Clickable 14.9s.
See 14.9 seconds. It will
start
reply.
Typing a prompt. Edit multi-line.
So here you can
typing a prompt.
edit the image. You can writing the prompt and etc etc. So, but when you generate image from this tool,
out of button good response.
Okay, see,
graphic clickable generated. Main landmark generated. Graphic clickable generated image. Graphic clickable generated image. Graphic banner landmark button close. Make graphic clickable generated image October banner button download.
So here you will get the download button also. You can download it. But when you download this image is actually useful for a visually impaired persons because this is actually the size that you can set the aspect ratio. So before creating the image, you must know the screen size and based on that, what should be the aspect ratio so that you can create almost correct images for your YouTube videos or any other purposes. But if you use Gemini, then you cannot do, right? Then what is the drawback of this AI Studio? First of all, this is specially for developer to test the models, not for users. Second thing, here you will be provided some tokens for free and after that you cannot do it unless the token is reset. And I don't know when the Gemini, the Google AI Studio will be paid forever. So I cannot assure you that today you can do, but tomorrow you can't. So these are some drawbacks of Google AI Studio, but Gemini I hope you can use. Even if you purchase the Gemini 2.5 Pro model. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to choose the aspect ratio or not, but maybe it's possible. So these are some solutions. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and do not forget to press the hype button just before the comment section. Share this video with your friends, and guys, don't forget to share your questions or comments or topics into the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay subscribed. Bye bye.